Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue one more problem which is based on property number 2. Let us start with problem number 2. Integral 0 to 1 x square into under root 1 minus x dx. Here also you can see the lower limit is 0. Therefore, we are going to replace x by a minus x. Now what is a? A is our basically upper limit. So here the upper limit is 1. Therefore, wherever we have x, we are going to write it as 1 minus x. Here using that property, we have I is equal to integral 0 to 1. X will be replaced by 1 minus x. Here we have whole square under root 1 minus of the value of x is again 1 minus x dx. On further solving, this will give you I is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x the whole square under root of 1 minus 1 plus x dx. Here 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. And I is equal to now integral 0 to 1 minus x the whole square root x into dx. Now the next step of simplification will include expansion of 1 minus x the whole square using the formula a minus b the whole square, and at the same time we can write root x as x raised to half. This will give you integral 0 to 1 minus 2x plus x square into x raised to half dx. In the next step, we can multiply this x raised to half to all the three terms present inside the bracket. Therefore, we have x raised to half into 1 is x raised to half minus 2x into x raised to half plus x square into x raised to half. Now, to solve these two terms, we can use the property a raised to m into a raised to n will give you a raised to m plus n. If the base are same, the powers will be added. Therefore, I will be equal to integral 0 to 1 x raised to half minus, here the power of x is 1, therefore 1 plus half will give you 3 by 2 and 2 plus half will give you 5 by 2. Now let us separate the integral to each of the term, and at the same time let us take this constant outside the integral. This will give you integral 0 to 1 x raised to half dx minus 2 integral 0 to 1 x raised to 3 by 2 dx plus integral 0 to 1 x raised to 5 by 2 dx. Now to integrate each of these term, you can use the formula integral x raised to n, which is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So we have x raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 minus 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 within limits 0 to 1. Here half plus 1 will give you 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 will give you 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 plus 1 will give you 7 by 2. As you can see, the reciprocal of 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. Therefore, this will give you 2 upon 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 into 2 will give you 4 upon 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 2 upon 7 x raised to 7 by 2 within limit 0 to 1. Now let us substitute x as upper limit 1 and lower limit as 0. We know that 1 raised to 3 by 2 will give you 1 only. So each power of 1 will give you 1 only. Therefore we have 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 7, and here after substituting x as 0, each term will become 0. Therefore the remaining terms are I is equal to 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Let us solve these two fractions first. This will give you I is equal to 10 minus 12 upon 15 plus 2 upon 7. Therefore I is equal to 10 minus 12 is minus 2 upon 15 plus 2 upon 7. On further solving these two fractions, I will be minus 14 plus 30 upon 15 into 7 will give you 105. Therefore I will be minus 14 plus 30 will give you plus 16 upon 105. This is the final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.